In this video, I'll show you how to use Robinhood for swing trading step by step. First, open your browser and go to the Robinhood website, then log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, start by using the search bar to find a stock you want to trade. Click on it to open the stock page, then switch to the chart section. Change the time frame to a few days, weeks, or months so you can see trends clearly. Look for patterns like uptrends, pullbacks, or support and resistance levels. You can also enable indicators like moving averages if available to help with analysis. Next, when you find a good setup, click on the Buy button. Enter the amount or number of shares you want to purchase, then click Review Order and submit it. After buying, go to your portfolio and monitor the stock over the next few days or weeks. Swing trading is about holding for a short period, so keep checking price movements and trends. When you reach your target profit or want to limit losses, go back to the stock and click Sell. Enter your shares, review the order, and submit it to close the trade. That's how you can use Robinhood for swing trading by combining basic chart analysis with smart entry and exit points. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials.